welcome back to Sire Speed Reviews. Got another quick little review on Funko Pop Crosshair from the Bad Batch. Let's do this. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but his helmet is very insect-like, almost like a ant or a wasp of some sort. But I do like the helmet, especially the crosshair part on his visor. His suit looks very similar to his brother's. This is a great character. We'll see what they're going to do with him, if he's going to ever change and rejoin the team, and maybe he'll get his inhibitor chip removed sometime or another. So let's see if that gets done. But hate to see these guys at each other's throats, but it's all part of the show. And he's got his long rifle on the side. I don't know the technical name for that weapon, but yeah, he's pretty deadly with it. Very cool. I know it's pretty bad, the lighting in here. Hopefully I can start recording in my studio hopefully soon, once I get that done. But yeah, you got a nice little image of him on the side. Now you got the rangefinder similar to a Boba Fett right there on the side of his helmet. Alright, let's get to the back of this box. Alright, you have, just like the other box, you have Wrecker, you have Crosshair, you got Tech, Hunter, and Echo. Very cool box. The design on the box is very cool. The red on it, really nice. Very different from Wrecker's, where Wrecker's is mostly white. I was happy to find all these figures, so I complete my collection. But also, I need to find Omega, I need to find Echo. Quick little update, I found Omega and Echo. Now we have a link between Omega and Boba Fett. Thank you for watching this quick review. But if you like this video, please leave a comment down on the bottom, or which one of these figures are your favorite from these guys back here in the back. There's a Crosshair, Wrecker, Tech, Hunter, or Echo. Thanks for watching Sire Speed Reviews.